Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Today thought I will demonstrate the different ways to convert a photo into a cross stitch pattern. That's it's like a comparison video also. That's what I'm trying to show you. The three soft website that I'm going to use are Pixel Stitch, Pic2Pat, and Stitch Fiddle. These are the three softwares I'm going to demonstrate. So here is the picture that I'm going to do. This is a picture of a mount trainer. It's from a US. I don't know much details, but it's a picture of a mount trainer. Okay. So first we will, this is the picture that we are doing. Next, first we'll do pic2pack.com. Pic2pack.com. This is a website, pic2pack.com. And I already shown you the picture that we are converting. We'll click on browse here. And this is the mount trainer picture. It's from Wikipedia, I suppose. That's what I remember. It's a high quality picture, so that you can get all the details. Otherwise, it will not work properly. So I will click on next here. Because it's a huge file. It's just going to take some time to load the picture. My laptop is running out. Let's do this fast. Okay, so this is the picture that has been loaded into the website. So there are so many details. I'm not sure how much details you can capture in the cross stitch, but let's try. So Flo's brand is DMC. The other options that they do is Anchor and everything. I will just stick with DMC for the demo purpose. Stitches per inch. You usually work with 14 count Ida fabric, so that's it. Size, it's a big picture, so I'm going to go for a bigger picture. So it is like 18 inches. 16 also might be fine. I'm collecting all colors. PDF is all colors. Okay, here you can go for black and white, I think. Okay, or colors or black and white, whichever is there. Okay, that's another option. And you can do grayscale, sepia diamond painting, because DMC has a diamond painting option, whatever. So this is another way to create diamond painting patterns. Anyway, click on it. Next. Okay. The picture is destroyed. That's what I can feel from here. You can see here is the picture. Looks very dull, drab. So this has 150 colors, 120 colors, 75 colors, in 60 colors here. You can see it here. 50, 40, 35, 30 colors. Okay, I'll just stick with 40 colors. 35, 40, 40. Okay, I think there's there's no much difference between this. I'll click on this 35 colors. It's downloading that. So this is the resultant pattern that has come from the Pic2Pack. I think there is a black and white options where you don't have the colors. That's possible. I did not pay attention to that. So I think that's here. Okay, sorry, I don't have it. Okay. So this is how it comes. Pic2Pack fails miserably in conversion. That's what I figure out with this particular pattern. Sometimes they're good, but not in this one anyway. You come down and you can see the last pages, all the colors. Only just one hunter green, very dark green. That's the only color they have. Greenish. Rest all are like very dull and boring colors. That's what I feel. Let me know. So yeah, I don't think anybody would want to do this using this conversion. So let's go back to Pixel Stitch. Pixel Stitch is this one. Yeah, get started, select a picture. I'm very happy that Pixel Stitch is free. They do a good job. Here we selected 18 inches there for the width, so I also will go with around 250. Colors I'll do 50. Ida is 40. I'm not doing anything much. Save options, I'll give symbols with color boxes. Right now I'll do the default one. Later I'll show you some changes. Create embroidery pattern. Wow, this has come out quite well. Considering that this is going to be 18 inches wide, the final output, this has come out well, I believe. All the details are there, really much more details, but it is this huge. It's 46,750 stitches, which is what we gave. There are 38 DMC colors, and here is the list. And you can click on save embroidery pattern, and it will come and show me it like this. So this looks actually very nice. This is colors, schemes, how many you need, and all those details, whatever, blah blah blah. And they have made it into 15 pages. Again, it's good. This is how the output looks. Yeah, this has come quite well. That's what I feel. 38 colors might be doable. Again, that's what I feel. I don't know, unless you do it. You don't know the struggles, because there might be minute single stitches here. Here, so here also it shows how many stitches I see. This color code is just 64 stitches. Okay, there are just 3 stitches. I think you should not be doing these 3 stitches. We should be sticking on to something else. Okay, so it gives you all the details here, but I'm not sure it gives in the PDF. I'm not sure. I don't think these details comes in the PDF. Some reason they should have given those details also, which is missing. There's a lot of unnecessary wastage of pages here, but okay, now let's fine. Okay, next we'll go to stitch fiddle, third option. I've already done 2 in the demonstration. Now you can see it was my third or fourth attempt to create this video. So create new chart. I'll go for cross stitch, DMC, from picture, choose picture, on cleaner. Okay, I'm using a paid version of Stitch Fiddle, because Stitch Fiddle do have, but many of these features like downloading after a point, number of charts and everything is it becomes paid. It's a subscription model. It's cheap. I mean, around $4. It's not very cheap, but still $4 is kind of decent for such a software. That's what I feel. And you have quite a bit of discount if you're doing an annual version. I don't take it because I work very sporadic. I mean, I'm not very constant with Stitch Fiddle, so I don't pay it on a yearly basis. I also think, let me see how it works. So choose picture. Okay, so here they have loaded it, but what has happened is size is small, so I'll increase the size. I'll do it as you go. Okay, 250. And colors, again, colors are just 20, which will not work. So I've done 40 through 40. DMZ was good for 38 colors. Let's do 40. I'm not increasing more brightness. Should I? Contrast, I'll increase a little bit. Okay, I think this looks nice. Okay. Okay, this looks nice, but the sky, I don't know what happened. So 40 colors. So it, come on, it has been shown little. Okay, now I'll do a save chart. And okay, so I can zoom here to see what is the. I'm zooming out. This is scroll. There was a zoom button somewhere. What? Okay, new view zoom uses. Okay, so I'll do a little bit. Okay, close. So this is how it will look, and if you press Control and scroll, it will come like this. So this is how it is going to look, almost same. Okay, good thing about Stitch Fiddle is that we have said it needs 40 colors, but if you can come down here, I need to see here. I don't know why it's not showing here. For some reason, I'll refresh the page. Where is the legend? Show at the bottom, close. I'd be expecting the legend to be here. I have no idea what happened. Always visible. Legend. Okay, anyway, I'll click on here. Wait. I have no idea what happened. I want it to be here. Okay, okay, here. No, it has come here. I don't know what happened. At the center. Show center, fit height, weight, fit width. Okay, I'll do a fit width. So this is how it will look. So if you click here, it will show all the list. Now what I can do is, I feel like there are similar colors, look at here. So I can go here, and this is the color. And if you click on here merge, what can happen is it will allow me to merge this color with any existing green colors which is there in this chart. So if I see these two looks very similar, so I'm going to do a merge here. So that means one color is reduced. Same thing, I'll go here, this looks too different, I'll do a merge, and it is giving me different options. It is possible to do otherwise also. And see, these two look same, almost same. It's not exactly same, but in some way it is same. I'll do merge. So that means two colors has been reduced. So I can choose to do that. Also, if I click here, it will show me how many stitches are there. So here there are winter white, and see here winter white and everything close. I'll just do that. Winter white, it's just 35 colors, so I can go here and I can see if I need snow white. Ultra, so I can do what is, I can actually make it similar. I can do this much. I think it's fine. I don't think slight variation. So it is optional. You can do, see these colors looks very similar. I can click here, do a merge, and it will give me options. See, these two looks very similar, or as far as to my eyes, I think. See, look here, this looks very similar. These also looks very similar. I can merge. So Stitch Fiddle gives you that option to take similar colors. You can make an informed decision, or you can change also. You can add your colors. Like let us do, I'll show you 608. I'm adding here, and I'll go here, and I'll click on this, and I'm going to do a merge delete with that color. Okay, now you can see this has changed, right? So similarly, you can add or delete different colors as long as it is there in supported by Stitch Fiddle. You can do this, and you can just do this manipulation and work. Okay, then I'll click undo so that you can. So this is what I love about Stitch Fiddle, and I can go back here. I'll go here and I'll just do a delete because I am not going to use it. It was just for demo purposes. So this is possible. I mean, so you can basically go here, and now what I do is can show colors and symbols, and now we'll go for download here. This is the download button. Come here, before the chart, after the chart, whatever you want, 28 pages, 15 pages, that's up to you. Colors and symbols, I think if you working with Pattern Keeper, which is an app to take care of, keep track of your stitches, I think it doesn't like colors and symbols together, or something is there, I'm not sure. If it do just symbols, it might work, but I'll show you both cases. Here I will apply here, and download it. Okay, this is the end result that Stitch Fiddle is giving. This is in 15 pages. You can go back and actually, these are the color list, everything is here, detail is here. You can go back here, just do symbols, how you want it, apply. You want more pages, whatever, download file, it is already downloaded, so it will come out like this. I think yeah, I would have preferred something else. I mean, somehow it looks, but yeah, you have to do some high contrast, some manipulations. Okay, here I see that there are some blank pages. I need to go and see why it's that. Okay, I'll close this download chart. I'll close and see why there are okay, view here, colors and symbols, just colors only. So here I think there are a few no stitch options there, I'm not sure. So this is a demonstration of 3 softwares using for the same picture. It's a very detailed demonstration. Let me know if you have any comments, but I think the pixel stitch one is the best, it looks best, I'm not sure. And 38 colors are doable. I think it will come pretty much nice. So yes, yeah, this is how you convert. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any comments. It's a very detailed video. Yeah, but I had to do this to show you some capabilities and everything. Thanks.